Welcome back to the FilmSpark.ai tutorial series. Your storyboard is ready. You have timed out your animatic. Now it's time to bring your narrative to life. Let's move into the video tab. Unlike image prompts, video prompts focus on temporal action. While our Copilot auto-populates the prompts based on your script, you have total control to refine all aspects of your video clip, such as camera movements and character performance here. Choose from the latest industry-leading models. For fast and affordable results, use our default models. For the best-looking videos, try out models such as Kling 03 and VO, which offer specific features and capabilities such as built-in lip sync and audio, first and last frame capabilities, and more. The video prompt is generated from the video description. It's important to check the details and the prompt depending on the model and type of shot you are trying to achieve. FilmSpark will automatically add dialogue in models that support it natively, such as Kling 03 and VO. Now check your settings such as resolution and duration, and then it's time to generate your video. Some models offer a feature called first and last frame. This allows you to define the exact look of the start and end points of your shot, opening up a world of creative possibilities. First, select a video model that utilizes first and last frame. Your shot image automatically becomes your first frame. Now let's duplicate and edit that frame. In this case, we want to start zoomed in on the credit card, so we can simply click the swap button to reverse the order here. Now let's generate the shot together. FilmSpark also allows you to easily stitch multiple shots together, allowing for endless options. Use the Extract Frame tool to pull the final frame of your previous shot and set it as the first frame of your current one. Now edit the video action as needed. You want to describe the action you want to happen between the two frames. With auto prompt on, your changes will be automatically updated in the video prompt. The result creates a perfect seamless bridge between scenes. Several models offer the ability to add lip sync voices to actors using various methods. Some create the voice for you automatically. However, for more consistent voices, you can generate the lines using your custom voice for each actor in advance. See our lip sync tutorial video for a more in-depth explanation of the many ways to create actors with lip-synced voices. Use the video edit tool to alter a video, change the time of day, add or remove elements, create visual effects, and more. Every take is saved in your history. You can compare different models or prompts to find the exact performance that matches your directorial vision. By mastering frame extraction and motion prompts, you've moved from a series of images to a cohesive visual assembly. Your production is now ready for sound. Direct your motion, lock your continuity, build your world. Next up, lip sync and SFX. We'll see you there. FilmSpark.ai, your complete AI production console. Stop generating, start directing.